Hey you guys, welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, we have another Zulu haul. You guys know these are some of my absolute favorite videos to do. As always, you guys know I'll have a discount code linked down below in the description box, as well as all of the styles. And thanks again to Zulu for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and hop into the first pair of glasses. Let's see what we have here. Off to a good start. We have a very cute traditional pair of glasses that are clear, but I absolutely love the red sides. Do you guys see this beautiful pop of color here? You guys know I love a pop of color. Let's go ahead and try these on. Very comfortable. Just sits right on my face, really nice. These are really cute, you guys. What do you think about these? Nice and simple with a pop of color. So if you don't like to do too much with your glasses, but you want something that's a little bit fun than just your regular pair, definitely a really good option. You guys, for the next pair, what do we have here? Ooh, these are cute. This is a nice big chunky pair right here. And it has a gold accent on the side. You guys know those bolts that you have on the belts? It's kind of like that, but it's gold. It's really cute. These are nice, big, chunky glasses. Let me try these on. Go ahead and wipe them off. And these are actually, I don't know if you guys can tell, they are black, but then they ombre down to a tortoise shell design here. It's probably a little bit harder for you guys to see on camera, but it's so cute. The cutest little touch. Oh, these are so cute. I can see myself running errands, putting these on, and I'm just like, I feel like Edna. You know what I'm saying? So cute. Especially when I don't have too much going on with my face, like my makeup and stuff like that. So I love a good larger pair of frames to cover up more of my face when I don't feel like doing my makeup and I just want something cute to throw on. On to the third pair. Ooh, these are cute. You guys know I love me a nice, clean, simplistic pair of black glasses. And these have gold detailing along the top and along the side. Very, very lightweight. A much thinner frame. Oh, I absolutely love the shape of these. I love the fit of these. They're extremely comfortable. And I feel like I could literally put these on every single day. Have no fear. Especially while I'm working. I just feel like this kind of pair of glasses is super ideal for me. It's not squeezing on my head. They're just super lightweight. It almost feels like you're wearing nothing. What do you guys think about this pair? We love a good black and gold pair. It's so cute. On to pair number 4. Let's see what we have up in this bag. We got us a lighter pair. I like to see that. Let me go ahead and clean these off really quick. Oh, look at these. It's almost like a bone kind of color. And then, no, the sides are silver. Is this silver? And the sides are a white gold. So cute. Let's try these on. These are really cute. Oh my God. Do you guys see that? The cat eye shape and everything, honey. It is so cute. I am loving this. You guys see? It's a really cute cat eye shape. Absolutely loving the color. It's very muted, which I personally love. I've not had a lighter pair of glasses. They're usually bright color, nudes, more of that taupey kind of color, but not this color. And I absolutely love the white gold. I've never seen a pair with a white gold kind of color. And I like gold of any kind. So this is super cute. I really like this pair. What do you guys think about this pair? Let me know down below. All right, on to pair number 5. Ooh, hold on. They might have did something with this pair here. Hold on. This is too cute. Oh my God. You guys, look at this. This is a pair of cat eye glasses with, it's like a baby powder blue jelly kind of color all throughout the front. And it also has little specks of glitter. Super duper cute. Along the sides, we have gold detailing. We have that gold detailing all along the sides. This is super duper cute. Oh my God, let me try these on. I have to try these on. You guys see that? I'm sorry, what? This is so cute. Oh my God, can you guys see the glitter though? Let me get closer. Can you guys see that glitter? Insane. So cute. I need these in every color. This is so cute. Something else to add to my everyday stash of glasses. Alrighty, and then, all right, and for our sixth and final pair, let me clean these off. So cute. We have a traditional style of clear frames. Along the side is that gold detailing. I love that it curves downward, gives you that cat eye-esque shape while still being more rectangular, which I like. Let's see what these fit like. Oh yeah. And then you can really see my brows, which is nice. These are super cute, very comfortable. I love this style because it almost gives you a traditional frame, but then also you have this slight little cute cat eye peak right along the top. What do you guys think about this pair? Very cute, very simple. I love it. Alrighty. So out of all the pair, what pair is your favorite? Make sure to comment that down below and let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget, each style will be listed down in the description box, as well as with my discount code, so that you guys can save money on your purchase with Zilu. Thank you again to Zilu for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love all of these styles. I would have to say that this blue pair here and also the bone colored pair have to be two of my absolute favorites, as well as this big chunky pair. I would have to say that these three styles are by far my top three. They're my favorites. I absolutely love these. All of the styles are beautiful, super cute. Let me know down below which one is your favorite, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.